What's up, beautiful people? Today I am making my famous, to my family anyway, famous keto chicken parmesan. It's delicious, it's completely keto, all completely keto ingredients. I'm gonna make it with a konjac Linguine Alfredo, also completely keto friendly. And so I made this maybe 6 weeks ago for a video on our family channel, and people have been asking for that recipe, so I decided to do it right here. My kids have been asking for it. I've made it maybe 4 times over the last month. It is so good, so delicious, and it's gonna help you with your weight loss goals. So let's jump in on how we do it. So to start out, I've just made a very simple egg and heavy cream mixture with a little salt and pepper and garlic powder. And then I have got all fresh grated Parmesan cheese with a little salt, garlic, and pepper here. And then I've sliced the chicken a little more thinly so that it'll cook a little more quickly, a little more evenly, and without burning all of this cheese. But that's how you do it. No breadcrumbs involved, totally keto and totally delicious. Okay guys, now that the chicken is done cooking, I am gonna add my sauce. I'm using this Raus, like how I rolled the R there, Raus Arrabbiata sauce. Now what that is, it means that it's a little more spicy, it's kind of got a kick to it, but this particular brand, if you're looking at tomato sauces, you gotta be careful because a lot of them have a lot of sugar, a lot of carbs in it. This one only has 5 grams of carbs per serving, which isn't really bad considering a lot of them have 12, 13, 14, even some have 20, which is crazy. So you kind of got to be on the lookout, but this one is delicious and it's definitely got some zing. So watch out, you might not like that kick. If you don't, I wouldn't recommend. I just recommend maybe a normal marinara or something like that, but this is my jam. Now I typically just use a spoon to kind of get the sauce on evenly so that no chicken is left behind. I actually very much like a lot of sauce, so I use a copious amount. And then I just spread a fairly generous amount of shredded mozzarella on top, because we like cheese in the Miller house. It's one of God's greatest gifts to mankind. Okay guys, while that gets cooking, I'm gonna get started on the konjac Linguine Alfredo. I'm making a scratch-made Alfredo sauce with these noodles here. This is a low-carb noodle, which is kind of unheard of, but this entire package only has 6 carbs. So I'm gonna make 3 of these to feed our family of 9, and it's gonna be pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna drain this really well and get started on the Alfredo sauce. But the kids are all outside playing right now, which is awesome because that means Amanda and I get to have a little date, which is awesome before they come in and devour all the food. So I'm gonna call her in and we're gonna eat. Hey babe! Hey babe.
It smells so good in here. Oh my gosh.
The kids are all outside.
I know. It's like so quiet right now.
We're gonna get to eat in peace.
I'm so excited.
And that's actually really looks really good, so I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, I will definitely enjoy.
Lizzie?
Oh, I'm in heaven right now.
little croy and some wine glasses, how about that?
Sounds delightful.
Okay, so
This looks
We have
delightful.
a few moments before children get home.
A couple of minutes.
We should definitely cheers to that.
Cheers, of course.
Enjoy a bite before they walk in.
Babe, this looks so good. Like, seriously good. This was one of the first meals you ever made me, you know.
I think it was the first meal I ever made you.
Chicken Parmesan.
But it was horrible.
It was good.
It was so bad.
It was so good.
I still didn't really know how to cook them. This is good.
That's
The
really good.
konjac linguine is actually really good.
Yeah, that's the first time making that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So good, babe. Oh yeah. Yeah, those noodles are good. It's like I have my own personal little chef.
I feel like Ina Garten. The whole time I'm cooking, I'm like, Jeffrey's coming home this weekend. Alright guys, the kids are home now and just in time. So we're going to close this thing out. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share this video with your keto Italian food loving friends.
So good.
Make sure you comment down below if you're going to try this recipe and let me know on Instagram what you thought of it. And otherwise, we will see you guys next time. Cheers.
Cheers.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back